Hey everybody, welcome to Cleve's Insights. Now, I'm not gonna rant and rave about this, but I'm extremely happy because y'all, guess what? I finally just got bumped up to 60% disability on my VA. I've been working on this for a long time. I tried everything. I originally retired in 2001, and then about 2006, I had friends of mine kept telling me, "Hey man, you try to get that bumped up, get your separate check." And I was working at the time and just going day by day, doing my thing. I never thought about it, so I retired again in 2019, right before the pandemic came out. So I said, well, let me try this. So this is what happened, guys. I went with an agency in Florida. I won't mention the name. They promised me the world and all. They said, oh yeah, we can get you to 50 with no problem. If we don't get you to 50, you don't owe us nothing. So I messed around with them for almost a year, and they didn't give me 50. They did. They got me to 20. So I said, forget this, I can do this myself. So I went ahead and tried to get, sleep apnea for myself, because that's supposed to be like 50% alone, sleep apnea. I did the paperwork myself, put my sleep report, my receipt for the machine and all that stuff. And that was a no-go. They said, no, you cannot, if it's not service connected, you cannot get that. Forget it. We can't help you. So I said, well, I almost gave up until I was talking to some other friends and said, hey, try some other places, or try something else, because this can be done. So check this out. I went to a place called True Vet Solutions. Those guys are excellent. What happened was they were able to set it up so that my sleep apnea was caused by previously service-connected condition, which was high blood pressure and tinnitus. So I didn't notice, I didn't think anything about it. But yeah, they had my money in 60 days. Basically, it's a quality of life thing. And they explained it to me, how does just not being able to sleep affect your quality of life? Are you getting any pain with it and all that stuff? And so what happened was this was all telehealth too. They set me up with a psychologist, and I filled out a questionnaire and went through a few questions and stuff. And then I sent it back to them. They took the rest of the package. Then they sent it off to the VA. And then within a week, I had to have another CNP exam, which was telehealth, through a commercial company down in Miami. It came on. They basically ask you questions about, your quality of life and all that good stuff, and, the normal stuff. And you got to let them know how you feel. And no matter how you feel on that day, it's got to be your worst day. And that was my worst day, believe it or not. So I didn't think nothing of it. It was on a Thursday. I had the telehealth appointment. It lasted about 45 minutes. And then that Monday, it's crazy. That Monday, I went to the VA to check my status of my claim, and boom, I was there. I was at 60. So man, if you guys are having, problems getting a bump up, don't try to do it yourself all the time. If you pay a little bit of money, and you can get someone to help you out. I'm just sharing this with you because I was one of the guys that kept saying, oh no, I'm never going to get nothing. I'm never going to get nothing. And I finally just, before I threw in the towel, which I never did, I finally tried True Vet Solutions, and they took care of it. I like to shout them out. I'll be getting back pay, and also I'll be getting a nice little check for the rest of my life, tax-free. So with that being said, guys, I just want to share that with you guys. If you think this information's useful, feel free to like, follow, and subscribe. And just remember, if you think you don't deserve anything, you probably do. Go ahead, do the paperwork, talk to the people, get things going on so you can get your money's worth. There's a lot of veterans out there not getting theirs, like I wasn't getting mine. I'm getting it now. So with that being said, thanks a lot, guys. Ring that bell, follow, and we'll see you on the next one. Cleve's Insights. Peace.